Hello friends, yesterday on the 27th of July 2023, the International Space Station East Time in his 24-year history had an unprecedented brief loss in connection with NASA's mission control in Houston. The 7 astronauts who are now orbiting the Earth discovered themselves cut off from ground commands and unable to make touch with the space agency for the first time in its history. The incident happened at the Johnson Space Center in Houston, which is the main command and control facility for the International Space Station. The power outage lasted for around an hour and a half, although it has not yet been determined whether the update was to blame. Fortunately, the backup systems for the station quickly took over, assuring the crew's safety as well as that of the space station. Addressing concerns, Space Station Program Manager Joel Montalbano reassured that neither the crew nor the ISS were ever at risk during the blackout. The astronauts were promptly informed of the situation via Russian communication channels just 20 minutes after the disruption occurred. This timely notification allowed them to stay informed and follow the necessary protocols. To account for possible disasters or communication loss with the ISS, NASA has established a secondary control center located miles outside of Houston. Remarkably, this was the first instance where the space agency had to activate the backup systems since the ISS's inception, reflecting the station's impressive track record in terms of operational continuity. The current crew aboard the ISS comprises 3 Americans, 3 Russians, and 1 astronaut from the United Arab Emirates, Sultan Al-Nayati. Sultan made history by becoming the first Arab to perform a spacewalk on April 28, following his arrival in space in March. His achievement adds to the growing legacy of humanity's presence in the cosmos. Interestingly, plans are afoot in Hollywood to feature a spacewalk in an upcoming movie, with actor Tom Cruise expressing his desire to become the first civilian to undertake a spacewalk. While this may seem like a plot straight out of science fiction, the remarkable advancements in private space exploration make such aspirations increasingly attainable. The committed team at NASA is actively looking into the reason for the communication breakdown and making every effort to find a solution. They are still dedicated to getting things back to normal by the end of the day. The tragedy serves as a reminder of the difficulties associated with space exploration and of the space agency's unshakable commitment to the security and accomplishment of human missions beyond Earth. We keep learning and evolving as we go into the cosmos, ensuring that the extraordinary connection between astronauts and the Earth endures. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.